Confident na siya. Nakapicture na kami po. Yan na. Confident na siya. Paliguin mo na. Kasi diaper niya. Basta kayong dalawa, uwi. Wow!
Saan tayo pa na pang ano?
Meron nga, hindi naman andun sa maleta. Kasi bukas mga tayo maliligo.
Oh no! Ako na rin. Ano ko na? Hindi ko lang naharangan. Ano ko naharangan?
Wow! Can you hop? Hop! 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 Iangat mo nga ang short niya sa iangat mo nga.
It's okay, it's okay.
Wala na, basa na talaga.
Wala na mawala.
Yung diaper niya, mabigat. Bigat sa diaper. Hindi waterproof. Wow! Sige na. Let's go home na. On na.
Ayun na pala. No.
Let's go. All done. All done na. Let's go. All done na. Hello. All done na. You have to go home na. Really, all done. All done na? Oh. Oh. Tomorrow pa tayo mag-swimming. Ay! Let's go na.
Are you angry?
Are you happy? Are you happy? Say happy. Ah! Can you make a happy face? Are you wet? Nabasa yung mukha niya. Ang mata niya ha, maanuhan. Ang mata.
Kung kawawa naman daw tayo. Nakapasa. Nakapasa tayo pasakay sa jeep.
Hindi, normal yan dito. Mga umuwi na ba sa lag?
Lalakad na lang kami.
Hindi, kahit sa sasakyan mo sa...
Pwede na kopad.
Dami ng video here. Are you happy? Are you happy? Say happy. Daddy, malot! Daddy! Gusto na yan. Haley? All done. Let's go home. Let's go home na. All done na. Why? All done na. Let's go home. Hoy! Oh. Okay na, sabi mo.
Yan na, game na.
2x mo.
2x na yan.
What's this? Papa? Daddy, I see a tree. Where's the tree? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy, Haley?
Tapos, na-picture mo to.
Ah.
Under the talo. Under the talo nito.
Last, kailangan natin mag-orabes. Hindi yan kakain si Haley.
Picture mo ko dito.
1, 2, 3. Again. Okay.
If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it, 2 all 3. Hooray. If you're happy and you know it, 2 all 3. Hooray. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, 2 all 3. Hooray.
Yay!
Can you point to the dog? Good.
Haley.
It's your slippers. Ipakilala mo sa kanya para ano yun na.
Is that your slippers?
May tawag
Can
ng
you wear it?
tawag. Is that Haley? Huh? Towel? Okay. You want to take a bath? All done. Okay. What is that? What color is the towel? It's white. That's right. How many towels do you have? Can you count? 1. Just 1? Okay. Can you jump? 1, 2, 3, jump. All done. Okay. Please. What do you want to do? What do you want? More what? What do you want? I want. You want to go to bed? Yes? Yes? Okay. You want to go up in the bed? Okay, I help you. You can do it. You can do it. 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa, you're so strong. Again, go, really. Yay, you're in the bed na. Okay, what are you going to do? Are you going to jump? In the bed. Jump na, jump. Mahulog ka. Mahulog ka. Mahulog ka. Look, careful man. Lily, utusan kita. Can you give me the towel, please? Can you please get the towel? Where's the towel? Can you give me the towel? Give it to mommy. Give it to mommy. Give it to mommy. Come here. Give it to mommy, Baba. What is that? Towel. Give it to mommy. Can you give it to mommy? Thank you. Thank you. Okay, where is your pants? That's your pants? What color is your pants? Red. Okay. Can you give me wala akong maisip. Can you give me the can you give me the wala akong maisip, Baba. Can you give me the what? Can you give me mommy's slippers? The white one. Can you please get me slippers? The white one. Careful.
Gulat ka.
Okay, wag na yan, Hailey. It's dirty. Wag na lang. Okay. Yeah, that's your slippers. Sabi ko, mommy's slippers eh. Okay, thank you. Can you get me the shovel? Can you get me the shovel? That's right. What color is the shovel? Red. Correct. Can you get me wala ko maisip. Can you get me the spoon? Where's the spoon? Okay, just get me the cup.
Hat.
Hat, yeah. Can you get me the
Where's
hat?
Daddy's hat?
Can you get me the hat, please? Thank you. There it is. Give it to mommy. Can you give it to mommy? Thank you. Okay, what color is the hat? Its color? What? Black. Oh, that's right. Can you get me my bag? Can you get me my bag, please? Yeah, that's my bag. It's heavy. What color is my bag? What color is that? No, what color is that? Its color? No. Color? Brown.
Wow.
That's right. Good job. Can you get me... Wala ko maisip, Hailey. Ano kaya?
Milk.
Can you get me milk? Go! Where's the milk? Can you get me milk? Hinahanap niya, hindi niya makita. Ang layo naman kasi ng milk. Hindi niya naman nabata. Open. Okay, we cannot open the milk. Okay. Iba na lang. Can you get me... What? Wala ko makita. Wala kasing gamit dito. Wala. Wala na. All done na? Wala akong maisip. Later. Shovel? That's a shovel, yeah. Baby, can you kiss the baby? Excuse me. Excuse me. Wow! Can you hug Nella? Can you hug? Kiss, kiss, kiss. Kiss.
Yay!
Good job.
Ow!
Hug, hug.
Kala ko ow. Hug pala yun.
Galing niya.
Kiss again, kiss.
Dati ganyan lang si Hailey nung dumating dito.
Nilarangan yung mukha.
Ang cute yung dalawa.
Ito. Only the...
Talaga?
Ay, clap daw, clap!
Yay.
Kiss daw si Nela, kiss! Kiss daw si...
Ano, mamuto ba yan si Chanela? Lagi nakagalan niya. Oh, lagi nang
Ako
gagalan.
nga, Alex, sabi niya sa akin, no, dito sa tenga, tapos dito sa usubo sa akin.
Talaga?
Oo. Ang lakas ng ano yung trip niya, Alex. Dadalhin sa tenga ko yung gamay niya. Tapos lalagay sa ilong, tapos daw ako subo sa akin. Parang tama ko yun. Kaya na, ano ko, sabi ko, bad
Pwede
eh.
kong ikik.
Pwede ko Chanela siguro.
Yay! Oo, isa pa.
Ito pa?
One more.
Sino mapot? Kasi puti niya. Barbie ako?
Oo.
Pareho kami.
Oo, pareho.
Hindi
ganyan.
masarap yung puti, di ba?
Ayaw kung puti-puti ni Sarah din eh.
Dahil sa gruta.
Ang puto si Sarah din ah.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10! Yay! Good job! Jesus!
Yun yan.
Ayaw ako na.
Galit.
Be!
Kiss Hailey. Ayan, kikisan niya. Ayan, tinan mo kay Rin. Kikisan niya. Kiss Ate Ann. Hug Ate Ann.
Ayun, nag-kit niya.
Yay! Ay, hug Ate Ann. Lek, lagi niya pinukuha talaga yung sinihan.
Picture.
Tsaka yung nahug niya. Kiss Ate Ann. Ayan.
Favorite
Hello, Ate
name yan.
Ann. Oo, kinukuha niya talaga. Hello, Ate Ann. Ayun ang partner niya.
Elmo ulit, oh. Oh, Elmo.
Yan, original na yan mo.
Magkakamukha lang mo.
Sesame Street attack mo.
What's that, Hailey?
Crab!
Uwa, kihili na yan.
Malinis pa to.
Kihili
Sobra.
na yan, crab.
Sobrang linis.
Hindi yan, dadalhin niyo ako. Para may mga
Saan pa? Lagay mo sa ano?
iba-iba sa mga laruan doon. Ito pa yung Captain America, galing pa sa ano. Ito galing pa sa America. Ayan,
Ili.
binili. Ito galing pa sa
Ili yan pa to.
Yan. Ang dami, di ba?
Nabisi na si Hailey.
May busy na yan.
Magbibigip si Baba yan?
Yeah.
Naman.
Mamaya na kon.
Oh my God, a car.
Ito pala yung mga laruan niya.
Pangalan mo, Mocha? Mocha, ang layo naman.
Medyo, ba't hindi na
Oh, di ba, maging busy na yan, no? Oh. Dapat madala yun doon. Lek, ito yung binili mo kay JR, oh. Ayan, oh.
Saan na ba itong bili?
Nilalaro pa ba ni JR yan?
Laka-laka na na dyan.
Yan lang yan.
Ay, para pag dadating sa Hailey dito, yung ano yung dali mo padala mo na yung crab.
Dami na BL mo na siya.
Oo nga, hindi dito nga, para dito may laruan siya. Like, ate mo. Yay! Makdo, makdo. Makdo, makdo. Makdo, makdo. Makdo, makdo. Makdo, makdo. Hailey, Hailey. 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 Hailey.
Hailey, look at Lola Jo.
Hailey.
Isa lang talaga yun.
Hailey. 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 Makdo, makdo. Hailey.
Hailey, makdo, makdo na ikaw.
Makdo, makdo. Makdo, makdo. Makdo, makdo. Makdo, makdo. Makdo, makdo. Makdo, makdo.
Tawag tawa kay Lola Jo.
Makdo,
Oh, tawa kay Lola
makdo,
Jo.
makdo. Makdo, makdo. Jollibee. 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 Alexa? 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 Ayun.
Ay, nabi si...
Saya-saya niya.
Beef, Makdo, Makdo.
Yung hili mo dyan.
Makdo, Makdo. Truck, truck, truck. Truck. Makdo, makdo.
Kaya ba kayo yan? Oh, best dito rin sa...
Makdo will ride in a
Makdo,
truck.
makdo.
Wow.
Brum, brum. Beng. Beng. Makdo. Ay, makdo. Beng. Ay, makdo. Ay, makdo.
O kumisklo.
Makdo, makdo. Hey! Makdo, makdo. Ay! Makdo, makdo. Ay!
Tawag-tawa kayo naman ng joke.
Makdo, makdo. Ay! Makdo, makdo. Ay! Makdo, makdo. Ay! Makdo, makdo.
Ito ko sa naman parang...
Ay!
Panoorin niya
Makdo,
lang.
makdo. Ay! Makdo, makdo. Ay! Makdo, makdo. Ay! Higilin. Ay! Makdo, makdo. Makdo, makdo. Ay! Makdo, makdo. Makdo, makdo. Ay! 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 Makdo, makdo. Kunin mo na yun. Sana? Car! Ay! Hindi ko siya nasisi. Car! Brum, brum.
Sige, takas na.
Ano? Car! Car!
Magdo, magdo.
Makdo, makdo.
Eli, where's the Makdo, Eli? Where's Makdo?
Oh, where's Makdo, Eli? Ay, Makdo, Makdo. Makdo, Makdo. Eli, Makdo, Makdo. Ay! Makdo, Makdo.
Alam pa yan.
Eli. Ay, Makdo, Makdo. Truck. Ay. Ay. Truck. Beep, beep.
Alam pa yan sa YouTube.
Beep, beep.
All done, all done.
Calm down. Pupunasan namin tuwalya doon.
No. Sabi nga. Ano pa?
Say.
Say Oreo.
Onyo.
Oreo.
Onyo.
Ano pa? Say Gab Gab. Yes.
Gaga.
Gagaw. Yay. Say JR. Say JR. Say Tito.
Hanapin niya naman si Mama Jo. Say hi.
Hi.
Can you tell Haley to say Tito?
Eli, Eli. Can you say tito? Say tito.
Wow! Can you kiss Tito Gab Gab?
Ma.
Wow! Can you hug Tito Gab Gab? Wow! You're so sweet. She can say Tito na. You're a great Tito, you know that.
Yeah.
You make Haley laugh all the time.
Eli, 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 Eli. Look at me.
See? You can make her laugh. Haley, he's making a silly face. Look. So funny.
Ay, gayahin mo to.
Everybody wants to rule the world naman.
Wala effort pa yun, Gab, ha? Natawa na sa'yo. Kaya ito ang touch ito. Mahirap to.
Mahirap!
Hindi, look. Dance kayo ni Kuya Gab. Dito, Gab. Di ba ang hirap? Look, Gab. Gab, look. The dancer.
Anong Gab?
Great dancer ay. Hailey. Hailey, look, oh.
Ouch!
Eh! Look! Look! Hailey! Bus! Isa ko, Hailey. Pauso mo. Oh! Palis! Nakikipagsabayan si Hailey.
Wala pa ganda ako. Wala ako
Okay na.
umuwi.
Ito! Wash mo na si Tito Gab-Gab. Dance! Go! Wa! Oh, sorry. What happened? Dance! Namiss niya yung Africa?
Yummy. Where's the airplane? There? What does the airplane sound? Is the airplane flying up in the sky? Yeah.
Say airplane. Say airplane.
Yummy. Are you kissing the airplane? Are you hugging the airplane? Wow. You're hugging the airplane? Really? You love airplanes? Yeah, you love airplanes? So can you say hi to the airplane? Ito ikaw ng ano?
Kaya niya strawberry. Ay, gusto niya.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're looking for the following passenger, Miss Cheryl Claus, Mr. Enriquez Roderick.
That's
If
strawberry.
you're on board, please
That's strawberry.
approach any of your cabin crew. Once again, we're looking for the following passenger, Miss Cheryl Claus, Mr. Roderick Enriquez. If you're on board, please don't hesitate to approach any of your cabin crew.
Oh, it's so yummy.
Yum.
Are you knocking the airplane? Huh? You always knock the airplane. You cannot open that. Okay, we cannot open the window. We don't open the window. No. We don't open the window. We're going to fall. Oh. I don't open the window, Baba. No, just knock the door, okay? Airplane. How about the bus? How about the bus? Can you sing the wheel on the bus? The wheel on the bus go round and round. There's no bus. Oh, no more bus. Where's the bus? I don't know. Where's the bus? Outside? Yeah? I can't see the bus. I don't. I see the bus. Look, there's the bus. It's a
Wow.
black bus. Are you kissing the bus? Huh? You want to eat more waffles? You want to eat more? What are you doing? Huh? You want to cook?
That's,
Yes, what are you going to cook?
that's,
What are you going to cook?
that's.
Yes! What's your name? What is your name?
Da.
And all done? What is your name? Okay, all done. Ha? No pressing the phone. You always call the information. Wala ka namang sasabihin. Ha? Don't press the phone. Okay? Say okay. Ikaw ha? No pressing na. Oh, that's so high. Careful. Oh, careful. Hoy, ano na naman yan? Ay, pinipindot ka na naman. What is that? Hailey. Ikaw ha?